Bali, one of the most beautiful islands in Indonesia. A place where waterfalls hide deep inside the jungle. Rice terraces stretch endlessly across the hills. And every sunset feels like a dream. For many travelers, Bali isn't just a destination. It's an escape from the busy routine of everyday life. So we came here to slow down, to explore, and to experience the magic of this island. From chasing breathtaking waterfalls to relaxing at vibrant beach clubs by the ocean. From waking up in the beautiful bamboo houses surrounded by jungle to riding ATVs through muddy trails, forests, and rivers. Every corner of Bali is something special, waiting to be discovered. And this is our adventure in Bali. So hi, hello guys, welcome back to Namma Jerome vlogs. So I'm just driving to our villa, which is in Sidemen. So driving to the villa is an adventure on its own, guys. Look at the roads; it's so narrow, and you just have to be super conscious when you're driving. My Indian driving experiences helped me a lot. Apart from that, we parked the car and we started walking inside the villa. But just the walkway itself, it's so beautiful. It's greenery everywhere. You don't see this greenery in Australia or anywhere. So it's so beautiful, even the walkway. And I just can't wait to explore our villa. So this is one of the bamboo villa we got, which was on high demand because it's the Valentine's week. So it was super busy in Bali. So yeah, this villa is one of the most beautiful place I've ever stayed, guys. Let me show you the drone shot from the outside. Look at this. Yeah, once we checked in, we came straight to the waterfall. This is a hidden gem in Bali. It's called Tibumana Waterfall. The waterfall was absolutely beautiful, guys. It's stuck away in the middle of a jungle. We spent some time there just relaxing, enjoying, just posing, just some fun. Yeah, after that refreshing visit, we drove back to the villa where a beautiful dinner had been arranged for us. So it was a perfect, peaceful way to end our, the first day in Sidemen. It was beautiful. So yeah, the next morning we headed out for some adventure in Ubud, quad biking. Yes, for about an hour and a half. We rode through muddy trails, jungle paths, small villages, riding in between waterfalls. And it was messy, it was exciting, it was fun, it was crazy. I had so much fun riding those ATV bikes there. You want to mention that again. If you guys haven't done the ATV bikes, you guys have to do this because this is one of the best rides ever. Because I've done ATV bikes in Australia. I've done ATV bikes in Dubai, but this is the best. This was the best. Yeah. And later in the evening, we drove back to the bamboo house in Sidaman, completely tired. But yeah, happy and got some really good rest. But yeah, and when we woke up the next morning, it was February 14th, Valentine's Day. So yeah, and the villa had prepared something truly special for us. So our private pool had been beautifully decorated with rose petals with my name and Nabina's name written on the pool. So it was honestly one of the most beautiful surprises we ever had. Swimming in a pool filled with roses, laughing, and playing around, it felt like something straight out of a movie. And then came one of the most unique experiences, a floating breakfast in the pool. So it was a full English breakfast with breads, eggs, fresh fruits, juice, tea, sausages, bacons, and everything. So a perfectly balanced meal while floating in the pool, surrounded by nature. So we enjoyed each and every moment of it. And yeah, breakfast, we went for, yeah, after breakfast, we went for a peaceful walk around the jungle, enjoying. That was crazy. This is one of the best experiences we ever had. So later that day, we got ready and headed to Greatia Ubud, home to one of the most beautiful infinity pools in Bali. The views there were absolutely stunning, overlooking the famous rice terraces. We spent hours there swimming, relaxing, enjoying good food, and taking in scenery. We also tried out the swings together, which was such a fun experience. After spending some time exploring, playing around, and even doing a little shopping inside, we finally made our way back to the villa. And honestly, moments like these are what make travel so special. And Bali has been an unforgettable experience, and we are so glad that we could share this journey with you. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you all in the next episode. Namma Jerome Vlogs.